बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंटेंसिव स्टडी। आज के लेक्चर में हम करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे जून के मंथ के। हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल तमाम अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के लेक्चर में हम जो भी लर्न करेंगे इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहें। लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Who is the current chairman of NADRA? Tariq Malik. The Federal Cabinet on June 8, 2021 approved the name of Tariq Malik, who is currently serving as the United Nations Development Programme, for his appointment as National Database and Registration Authority Chairman following a rigorous selection process. Who is the current Director General of FIA? Sanaullah Abbas. Dr. Sanaullah Abbasi, PSP, is a Pakistani civil servant and a police officer who serves as the Director General of the Federal Investigation Agency in office since June 9, 2021. Who is the current IG of KPK Police? Mozam Jan Ansari. Who has been appointed as new DGPR Pakistan Navy? Rear Admiral Naeem Sarwar. Rear Admiral Naeem Sarwar SI has been appointed new Director General Public Relations Pakistan Navy. According to officials, Rear Admiral Naeem Sarwar got commissioned in the operations branch of the Pakistan Navy in 1990. Which sector covered the biggest portion of the federal budget FY 21-22? Debt financing. Debt financing covered 36% and defense covered 16%. Which country has lifted a ban on import of rice from Pakistan? Russia. When former caretaker PM Justice Mir Hazar Khan Khosu passed away, June 26, 2021. Former caretaker Prime Minister retired Justice Mir Hazar Khan Khosu passed away in Quetta on June 26, 2021 due to cardiac arrest. He was 92 years. Pakistan origin Sajid Javed appointed as Health Secretary in which country? UK. British former Finance Minister Sajid Javed will replace Matt Hancock as the country's Health Minister. Pakistan Navy will participate in Black Sea Drill as an observer named Sea Breeze 2021 or SP21. Which country virtually hosted 74th session of the World Health Assembly? Switzerland. The 74th meeting of the World Health Assembly is taking place virtually from 24th May to 1st June 2021 in light of ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The 2021 event is focused on the theme Ending this Pandemic, Preventing the Next, Building Together a Healthier, Safer and Fairer World. Which country allows couple to have 3 children? China. Naftali Bennett said to be new Prime Minister of which country? Israel. Recently, history made as the first Arab party joins Israeli coalition government. Conservative Islamic Ram Party. Russia has started its biggest nuclear power project with which country? China. US Climate Change Conference 2021 will be held in Glasgow. The 2021 United Nations Climate Change Conference, also known as COP26, is the 26th United Nations Climate Change Conference. It's scheduled to be held in the city of Glasgow from 1 to 12 November 2021 under the presidency of United Kingdom. Next, who is the current Prime Minister of Mali? Shogal Mega. Which meat supplying company has recently fallen trap to ransomware attacks? JBS. The computer network of the world's largest meat supplier JBS have been hacked by the firm has fallen trap of ransomware attacks. This has forced the company to shut its operations in Australia, Canada and the US. A ransomware attack involves hacking of computer networks and threatening to cause disruption to or delete files unless a ransom is paid. Which is the first country to formally adopt Bitcoin as legal tender? El Salvador. El Salvador has become the first country in the world to formally adopt Bitcoin as legal tender after Congress approved President Nayib Bukele's proposal to adopt the cryptocurrency. The use of Bitcoin as legal tender will go into law in 90 days. Who became the new president of Iran? Ibrahim Raisi. Sayyid Ibrahim Raiso Sadati, commonly known as Ibrahim Raisi, is an Iranian conservative and principalist politician, Muslim jurist, and president elect of Iran, having been elected to the presidency in the 2021 Iranian presidential election. Which country has been ranked at the first spot in the World Giving Index 2021? Indonesia. Next है Henry Marydondra has been selected as the new Prime Minister of which country? Central African Republic or CAR. Recently, Israel-based I-24 news channel to open office in which city? Dubai. Who has been appointed as Pakistan's new executive director at the National Asian Development Bank? Noor Ahmed. The government on June 22, 2021 appointed Noor Ahmed as BS-22, Officer of Secretariat Group, as Executive Director of the Asian Development Bank for a term of 4 years starting from 1st July 2021. Digital Green Pass is the COVID certificate of which group of nations? European Union. Interstellar Boundary Explorer satellite or IBEX was launched by which space agency? NASA. As per ICAN's recent report, which country spent the highest amount on nuclear weapons? USA. Which country has started to produce CanSino Bio COVID vaccine? Pakistan. Pakistan has started producing the single dose Chinese CanSino Bio COVID-19 vaccine to be able to deliver 3 million doses a month, branded PackVac. An initial batch of 118,000 doses of the vaccine is ready to be delivered to the government on Friday, June 4, 2021. Which province restores internet services in 6 districts after 5 years? Balochistan. The Pakistan Telecommunication Authority has issued instructions to telecom operators to restore internet services in KPK, Khyber district, and 6 districts of Balochistan after 5 years. PSL set to resume in Abu Dhabi on which date? June 9, 2021. The Pakistan Cricket Board on June 3, 2021 announced that the 6th season of the PSL will resume at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi from June 9. When CJ of Pakistan Gulzar Ahmed inaugurated the country's first commercial court, June 5, 2021. Chief Justice of Pakistan Gulzar Ahmed inaugurated the country's first commercial court here at Lahore Judicial Complex on June 5, 2021. Tasheer-e-Jabal military exercises was conducted by which country? Pakistan. The Pakistani army has conducted a military exercise named Tasheer-e-Jabal near Kotli in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir region. Which country to host World Environment Day 2021? Pakistan. Pakistan hosted the World Environment Day celebrations this year on June 5, the first time in history in partnership with the UN Environment Programme. Who was the Israel's longest serving Prime Minister? Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu is an Israeli politician who served as the ninth Prime Minister of Israel from 2009 to 2021 and previously from 1996 to 1999. Netanyahu currently serves as leader of the opposition and as the chairman of Likud National Liberal Movement. Recently, NATO leaders declared which country a global security challenge? China. The head of world's largest family has died in which country? India. A 76-year-old man who had 39 wives and 94 children and was said to be the head of the world's largest family has died in northeast India, the chief minister of his home state said. Ziona Chana, the head of the local Christian sect that allows polygamy, died on June 30, 2021. Which country has become the world's first mask-free country? Israel. Israel will become the world's first mask-free country in the corona period. Here the rule of applying mask in closed places will end from June 15. This was announced by Israel's Health Minister Yoli Edelstein. The rule of applying masks outside has already been abolished in the country. Who has been appointed as new chairperson of Microsoft? Satya Nadella. Recently, Vladimir Putin and Joe Biden meet in first summit in Geneva. US President Joe Biden and Russian President Vladimir Putin meet for the US-Russia summit at Villa Lagrange in Geneva, Switzerland, June 16, 2021. WHO presents Anti-Tobacco Award 2021 to which country? Cambodia. The World Health Organization has given a World No Tobacco Day Award 2021 to Cambodia for its efforts to control tobacco use. WHO representative to Cambodia, Lee Island, on Friday, June 11, 2021, presented the award to Cambodian Health Minister Ma'am Bunhang at a ceremony held in the capital of Phnom Penh. Who is the first player in the last 52 years to win all four Grand Slams twice? Novak Djokovic. Which country is to play host to the UN Sustainable Transport Conference 2021? China. The UN Sustainable Transport Conference is to be held from 14 to 16 October 2021 in Beijing, China. The conference aims to encourage sustainable transport to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change. Who has been recommended as the next Secretary General of UN? Antonio Guterres. The United Nations Security Council has recommended the reappointment of the present Secretary General Antonio Guterres for a second term, which commences from January 1, 2022. Which city has topped the list of the Economist annual survey of the world's most livable cities in 2021? Auckland, as per the Economist annual survey of the world's most livable city in 2021. Auckland, New Zealand, has topped the list of the most livable city in the world. This is followed by Osaka and Tokyo in Japan. Vienna, previously the world's most livable city, has fallen to 12th position. Auckland has topped the list owing to its successful approach in containing the COVID-19. Firmina, the longest cable in the world when built, is being constructed by which technology company? Google. Tech major Google announced that it's the building and undersea cable called Firmina that would connect the United States, Brazil, Uruguay, and Argentina. The cable, which will be the longest cable in the world, aims to bolster internet connection capacity between these regions. Which country has recently passed a new legislation that bans defamation of military personnel? China. Leaders of the G7 countries opened their first in person talks in nearly 2 years on June 11, 2021. What is B3W initiative? Build Back Better World. The group of 7 richest democracies sought to counter China's growing influence by offering developing nations an infrastructure plan that would rival President Xi Jinping's military trillion-dollar Belt and Road Initiative. G7 leaders launched Build Back Better World or B3W initiative will provide a transparent infrastructure partnership to help narrow the $40 trillion needed by developing nations by 2035. Who has been elected as new president of Israel? Isaac Herzog. Isaac Herzog was elected the 11th president of Israel with 87 Knesset members voting for him, which was the biggest majority a candidate has ever won. Isaac Herzog was elected president of Israel in landslide on June 2, 2021 to the largely ceremonial position. Oleg Novitsky and Pyotr Dubrov, who performed a 7-hour spacewalk recently, are from which country? Russia. What's the theme of the World Environment Day 2021? Ecosystem restoration. The theme for year's World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. This year will also mark the formal launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. Who is the current president of the United Nations General Assembly? Abdullah Shahid. Abdullah Shahid is a Maldivian politician who has served as the Minister of Foreign Affairs for the Maldives since 2018. He is the President elect of the United Nations General Assembly. Shahid is the first Maldivian politician to become the President of General Assembly. Abdullah Shahid was on Monday, June 7, 2021, elected as President of the 76th session of the UN General Assembly. The African Union has suspended the membership of which country after a military coup in that nation, Mali? Who has become the new president of Mali? Assimi Goïta, Mali's military commander Assimi Goïta, who removed our transitional president and prime minister last month, has been sworn into office as the new interim president on Monday, June 7, 2021, despite facing a diplomatic backlash over his second power grab in 9 months. Which international fashion magazine revealed Malala Yousafzai as its cover star for the British edition for July 2021? Vogue. Indian Army is planning to lease Hiron TP drones from which country? Israel. The Indian Army has planned to lease Israel Hiron TP drones and deploy the same along the line of factual control. This decision comes in the wake of ongoing tensions between India and China along the lake, and these drones would be deployed to monitor the activities of Chinese troops. Which country's largest navy ship Iris Khag has destroyed after a fire? Iran. The largest warship in the Iranian navy caught fire on the evening of June 1 and later sank Wednesday, June 2, 2021, in the Gulf of Oman under unclear circumstances. The latest calamity to strike one of the country's vessels in recent years aimed tensions with the West. The ship sank near the Iranian port of Jazz, some 1270 kilometers or 790 miles southeast of Tehran, on the Gulf of Oman near the Strait of Hormuz, the narrow mouth of the Persian Gulf. Which country has introduced a new legislation named as Eagle Act, USA? Which country's environmental agency hosted the International Nitrogen Initiative 2021? Germany. Tajikistan agreed to buy weapons from which country? Pakistan. Tajikistan on June 2, 2021 agreed to buy weapons from Pakistan as the two countries vowed to upgrade their strategic cooperation. Tajikistan President Emomali Rahmon is on a two-day official visit to Pakistan. Who is the current commandant of Frontier Constabulary? Salahuddin Khan Masood. Salahuddin Khan Masood is the Pakistani police officer who was the former IG of Azad Kashmir province from March 2019 to June 2021. What's the rank of Pakistan in the Economic Freedom Index 2021? 152. Pakistan's economic freedom score is 51.7, making its economy the 152th freest in the 2021 index. Its overall score has decreased by 3.1 points, primarily because of a decline in fiscal health, report published by the Heritage Foundation 27 edition. What's the rank of Pakistan in World Giving Index 2021? 107. Which province became the first to pass the Apprenticeship Act? Punjab. Punjab has become the first province to pass the Apprenticeship Act 2021 to provide skilled youth with better economic opportunities to the industry according to its specifications. Which team win the 6th edition of PSL 2021? Multan Sultan. The 6th edition of the Pakistan Super League came to an end on 24 June 2021 with the Multan Sultans defeating Peshawar Zulmi by 47 runs. Who is the current chairman of PIA? Aslam R. Khan. The government on Tuesday 22 June 2021 appointed former PIA MD Aslam R. Khan the new chief of the airline. He will replace Air Marshal retired Arshad Malik as chairperson of the national carrier. Finance Minister Shaukat Areen presented the Dash Trillion federal budget for the fiscal year 2021 to 2022, 8.48 trillion. Who presented the PTI's third budget for the FY 2021 to 2022? Shaukat Tareen. Finance Minister Shaukat Tareen on Friday presented the 8.48 trillion federal budget for the fiscal year 2021 to 2022 in the National Assembly. Who is the current DG National Police Bureau (NBP)? Wajid Zia. According to the notifications issued by the Establishment Division, Wajid Zia, a BS 2022 officer of the PSP, presently serving as FIA DG, is transferred and posted as NBP DG under the Interior Division with the immediate effect and until further orders. What's the rank of Pakistan in the Sustainable Development Report 2021? 129th. Sustainable Development Report 2021 was published by STNSN Sustainable Development Solutions Network on June 14, 2021. US President Joe Biden has inducted yet another Pakistani American into his team as a top federal regulator named Lina Khan. US President Joe Biden has inducted yet another Pakistani American, Lina Khan, into his team as a top federal regulator. Earlier this week, the US Senate confirmed Zahid Qureshi as a judge for the District of New Jersey by a vote of 81 to 16. Mr. Qureshi is the first Muslim federal judge in US history. NPR. Lina Khan is the fifth Pakistani American to join the Biden team since he entered the White House as the 46th US President on January 20. What's the rank of Pakistan in Global Peace Index 2021? 150th. Pakistan has been ranked 150, whereas India is placed on 135th position in the 21 Global Peace Index of 163 nations. According to the 15th edition of the Global Peace Index, announced by the Institute for Economics and Peace, Sydney on 18 June 2021. What's the name of the homemade COVID-19 vaccine launched by Pakistan with the help of China? PakVac. Which Pakistani wins UK's Lady Diana Award? मशल आमिर. मशल आमिर, जिनका ताल्लुक़ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा से है, उनको इस अवार्ड से नवाजा गया क्योंकि उनकी सर्विसेज हैं ह्यूमैनिटी एंड पार्टिसिपेशन इन वेलफेयर एक्टिविटीज़ की वजह से। मशल का नाम उन 300 लोगों की लिस्ट में शामिल हो गया जिनको दुनिया भर में इस अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। President of Tajikistan Imomali Rahmon will pay a 2-day visit to Pakistan on which date? 2nd and 3rd June 2021. Recently, Turkey and which country have begun joint military Mustafa Kemal Atatürk 2021 in Baku? Azerbaijan. Turkey and Azerbaijan began joint military drills in Baku on Monday, June 28, deploying tanks, helicopters, and drones in an effort to improve the two countries' combat interoperability, Azerbaijan's defense ministry said in a statement. आज का टॉपिक यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें। थैंक यू।